Hello everyone, welcome back again to Lydia's kitchen. My name is Lydia and I hope you all are doing well. In this video I'll be sharing with you how to make strawberry jam. It's very simple and delicious with few ingredients, and I hope you will enjoy this recipe. And also don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So I have here 500 grams of strawberries, 1 cup of sugar and some lemons. So I'll go ahead and wash and rinse the strawberries. So next I'm going to be cutting them in halves. I'll transfer them into a saucepan and I'll add about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Next I'll add 1 cup of sugar and I'm going to be boiling it on a medium heat until the sugar dissolves. So I'll keep stirring it until it starts to thicken up. And at this point it has begun to thicken up, so you have to constantly keep stirring it for about 10 minutes until it thickens. And at this point we still have some chunky strawberries, so I'm going to be mashing it up and keep boiling. And once the color changes to a dark color, it is all done. So for you to know it's done cooking, you can scoop some on the plates and run your hands through it, and once it stays frozen, that means it's all done. So this is a very simple recipe, strawberry jam, very straightforward recipe with few ingredients. So I hope you have enjoyed this recipe, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.